Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Summer here to talk about lesson 503, perpendicular lines. In this lesson, students will be able to determine whether two lines are perpendicular by comparing their slopes and writing the equation of a perpendicular line. So this is what happens when you make multiple slides, is you forget to change things. So perpendicular lines, two lines are perpendicular if their slopes are the negative reciprocals of one another. So negative reciprocals. So if we were to write the negative reciprocal of 3, it would be negative 1 over 3. Okay, we just flip it upside down. So the negative reciprocal of negative 3/4 would be positive 4 over 3. So this example says determine if these two lines are perpendicular. So we first have to figure out the slope of line A. The slope of line A is negative 1. We just count it up and over. And then my slope of line B is positive 1. And so so this is a tricky one because 1, what is the negative reciprocal of negative 1? It's positive 1. So that one kind of seems weird, but it works. It's true. So yes, the lines are perpendicular. So if you look at this means perpendicular. So it's a shorthand way of writing perpendicular. Because remember, mathematicians and scientists are lazy. They only write what they have to. So if they can write it as a shortcut, they do. So yes, they are perpendicular. Negative 1 is the opposite reciprocal of positive 1. So that's how you would justify your answer. So find the slope of the new line. Or write an equation in slope-intercept form for the line that passes through 2, negative 1, and is parallel to the line described by y equals 2x minus 5. Well, first we need to find the new slope. The new slope is negative 1/2 because the slope of the original line here is 2. So the opposite reciprocal of 2 is negative 1 over 2. Then we need to substitute our slope and our points into our slope-intercept form. And by doing that, we have, negative 1 is equal to negative 1 over 2 times 2 plus b. And then solving for b, we get negative 1 equals negative 1 plus b. Add 1 to both sides. You get b is equal to 0. And then your equation of the line is y equals negative 1/2 times x. Because the slope-intercept is, or the intercept is 0, you don't have to write the 0 in your final equation. You try. Write the equation of the line with a y-intercept of 4 and perpendicular. Hey, I wrote the right word there. Perpendicular to y equals 1/4 x plus 1. So what is my new slope? My new slope is negative 4 because the opposite reciprocal of 1 over 4 is negative 4. So my generalized equation would be y equals negative 4x plus b. So then I'm going to substitute in, it already gives me the y-intercept. So all I had to do here is find the slope. So my new equation is y equals negative 4x plus 4.